In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download Pinterest videos to your phone gallery. This allows you to access inspiring or educational content offline, making it convenient for reference without an internet connection. On your Pinterest app, choose any video of your own choice. Now let's say you want to download this video. Head to it and tap onto these 3 lines. Select on Copy Link. Now once the video link is copied to clipboard, head to any browser of your own choice. For my case I'll use Safari. Search for Pinterest Video Downloader. Head to it and simply paste the video link right here. Tap on Download. Now wait for it to load. Once done, navigate and select on Force Download Video. Your video will start downloading automatically. Head to the Downloads and select on Video. Tap onto the share icon to save your video to your phone photos. That's how easy it is to download Pinterest videos on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.